This is Mr. Edwards. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now how to graph using Microsoft Word. This will work on Microsoft Word 2007 and 2010. It'll work on all of them, but just you have to find them. They'll be located differently. First, to insert the table, just insert table, choose how many columns and rows that you want. If you need to add additional columns or tables, just simply right click at the bottom and where it says insert another row below or above or aside, whatever you need. After you've made your table, you can make your graph. So to insert your graph, insert chart. We're going to be using XY scatter plots. Choose which line type you like the best. I like that one, so I'll go ahead and select that. So now that pulls up your window with your data. When you enter your data, it'll only show you values for X and Y. If you have more than one line, then you need to actually click here at the bottom and drag it to the right. You can drag to however many lines you want. So you'll still have your X values here. This will be your Y values of line 1, line 2, and line 3. So the lab that we're doing right now, the X values is time, and the Y values are the distances of car 1, car 2, and car 3. So this would be car 1's distance, car 2, and car 3. Now we have more times than this, so we'll go ahead and click and drag our data box down. And our times will be basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 seconds. Whatever we need, however long it took, whatever your max time is, you'll go down to your maximum time. Then you add how far each car went. Well, the first car was traveling slow. It only went 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, then 35, then 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 centimeters. Alright, then the next one. So the first car never even made it all the way 1 meter. Never made it all the way down. Second car, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 centimeters. It got there in 10 seconds. And the last one, let's say it went 15 centimeters, then 30, then 45, then 60, then 75, then 90, and then 105. So then these would be your car's data. Car 1, car 2, car 3, slow, medium, fast. Well, you're already done. Let's take a look at it. So I just close this and look at my graph. And there's my graph done. So it shows me that car 1 was my slow car, the blue line. Car 2 is my medium speed, the red line. Car 3, the green one, shows me my speed's faster. You can see that the slope tells you how fast it was going. But make sure you notice that the slopes are relatively straight or constant because this is constant velocity. All we need to do now is add our labels. So I just need to label our graph. So go back up to Chart Tools, Layout, Axis Titles, Primary Horizontal Axis, give it a title. That's going to be our time in seconds. Make sure you always label your axes. Now let's label our axis and the vertical title. We'll say distance. And that was measured in centimeters. Alright, and then let's give it a title. So we'll say chart title, above the chart, constant velocity, and you are done with your graph. It shows your time on the bottom in seconds and how much distance the car covered in each time interval. There you go.